How to use Zapier for email automation. First of all, head over to the Zapier website, and the first thing you have to do is to log in with your account into Zapier. Once you're logged in, you will see your mailboxes and also an option called Create Mailbox. As you can see, I have already created 2 mailboxes. Now we have to teach our mailboxes how to parse an email. For example, I have already created a template in my first email. I will click on the settings to show you my template, and here you can see all the details of my template. I have created the name, the subject line, the email, phone, company, and the message. Now my Zapier email will parse any email sent to this address according to the exact same settings that I have made. So if I go to my Google email and send a mail to my Zapier email to check if the template is working or not, I will select an email. I will type in the subject and then type in the email and telling my name and asking the price of the product. Once my email is sent to the Zapier email, now let's head back to the Zapier. And here we have successfully received an email on the Zapier, and it has highlighted all of the important points of my email, so it will be easier for me to understand. So this is a great way to summarize your email with Zapier. The Zapier will automatically summarize the phone number, the name of the client, and each and everything into a single page. You don't have to read the whole email of the clients, and Zapier will do the most stuff for you. And that's how you can use Zapier for email automation. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.